Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how to tie a uni knot. It's the most versatile knot in fishing, strong enough for mono, fluorocarbon, or braid. Every fisherman should know how to tie this knot. In this video, I'm using a J hook and some leader line. To start the uni knot, all you have to do is take your leader line and pass it to the top of the eye of the hook, like so. Pull about approximately 8 to 10 inches and double up your leader line. Once you have doubled up your leader line, the next thing you'll do is pinch both lines, take the tag end, and form a loop like so. The next thing you want to do is take the tag end and pull it through the opening at least 6 to 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then pull it through like so. Once you have your wraps, it is very important to moisten your knot before tightening it up. You can either use saliva or water. And once moistened, you can pull the knot tight like so. And there you go. There is your uni knot. Take a scissor and cut the tag end. It is okay to leave a little bit of the tag end like this, which can be helpful to basically hold your bait in place. For example, when you're using clams or any kinds of soft bait. And there you have your uni knot. As you can see, the uni knot is very quick and easy to tie. Any fisherman should know how to tie a uni knot. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment below. And as always, thank you for watching.